get chatting about the Nykaa block deal. Mangalam is now joining in with the details. Mangalam.
Well, 2.1% equity was changed or exchanged hands in Nykaa in today's trading session. And since last evening, Vivek, our colleague, has been telling us that the likely seller are Singh Banga and family. They've sold about 2.1% equity. But that's one part of the story. The other part is I was just trying to look at the shareholding pattern of Nykaa. And ever so often, we do keep getting blocks in Nykaa itself. So Singh Banga, holds about 4.9% stake in the company as of March 2025. This obviously comes down by 2.1% if he is indeed the seller in today's trading session. He's been selling in the last couple of years or so. The other individual investors that I've been looking at, Sunil Kant Munjal is one. His stake come down from 2.5% in March 2024 to 1.4% over the last 12 months or so. In fact, the public shareholding of Nykaa, the number of shareholders itself, has come down from 5.85 lakh in June 2023 all the way down to 5.2 lakh the next quarter, thereafter 4.7 lakh in June 2024. And if you look at March 2025, the number is down to 4.72 lakh itself. So a large number of shareholders, individual shareholders, have come down, and that's reflective in the public shareholding of the company itself, which is halved from 26% in June 2023 to 13.8% in March 2025. Who's buying? Is it the FIIs? Turns out not, because even the FII shareholding of Nykaa has come down from 10.5% to close to 8.8% in the last 4 quarters or so. The increase in shareholding has come in from domestic institutional investors, which have increased their stake from 18% in June 2024 all the way up to 25% in March 2025. Who are these domestic institutional investors who've increased their stake in Nykaa? We have ICICI Pru, where the holding has gone up from 1.5% to 4.5% over the last 4 quarters. Nippon AMC 2 has increased its stake from 3% to 6%. HDFC Life, another life insurance company, which has increased its stake from 1% to about 1.3%. And we have Kotak MF as well, which has increased its stake. Remember, the stock in this year is up 24%, but prior to this year, between 2022 and 2024, was actually down 42%. And even if you adjust for the bonus and look at the issue price, the stock since IPO has returned just 8%. So are things turning around for Nykaa after domestic institutional investors are increasing their stake? The company has spoken about strong runway for the beauty market, also break even for fashion business this year, 30% CAGR for their own brands, and steady state margins of 10% for their fashion business. Let's see who wins the battle of shareholders in Nykaa from here on.
I read in one of the articles, Mangalam, that, the gentleman who's selling today, the Banga family, they were early investors and they had bought into Nykaa when the market value or the market cap was $25 million. And now it would be, $6-7 billion. Oh. So, early investors, and he's reaped the benefit of that and now partially exiting. Thank you very much for putting the spotlight on how the shareholding of Nykaa has evolved over the last couple of years. Retailers are exiting and domestic mutual funds have been increasing their holding. Deven, you want to quickly comment?